What is hybrid microcircuit? We at VCB Electronics design microelectronics packaging, miniaturized circuits, electronic and mechatronic products meeting your application and product requirements. We use a combination of techniques in designing the product, meeting the functional, application, thermal, reliability, testability, quality and lifetime requirements. We primarily use thick film printing on a ceramic substrate to form conductive tracks and resistive elements. Then mount the chip resistors, capacitors, inductors and semiconductor dies using conductive epoxy and cure them. Then interconnects from chips to substrate are done using gold wire bonds of different current ratings. Such a microcircuit can be much smaller and lighter than a printed circuit board based circuit. These microcircuits are much more reliable and can be designed to withstand a wider range of operating temperatures. They have better vibration resistance and can function in harsh environments, as in defense and space applications. VCB Electronics has capability to develop substrates, packages and microcircuits of various sizes. Based on the requirements, we have multiple options to use, either the chip-on-board assembly technique or high-density technique or flexible PCBs and PCB stacking technique. VCB is investing in R&D and infrastructure for developing technologies like thin film printing, package designs, glass-to-metal sealing to augment the capabilities. Many hybrid microcircuits developed and manufactured by VCB have been used by Indian Space Research Organization and many other institutions. We are very proud to design, develop and manufacture superior, reliable and high-performance hybrid microcircuits in India.